In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Rockstar Games account for GTA 5. So before you can start playing GTA, you need to make sure you have a Rockstar Games account. Now to do this, just go and open up an internet browser. You can then type in Rockstar Games and press enter. Click on the top website, which is rockstargames.com. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side of the screen and select sign up. You then need to go and enter your date of birth, and then you can select next. Agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Enter an email address, your password, and also a username for the game. You can then press next. You'll then need to enter the verification code that would have been sent to your registered email address. So this is what the email will look like. So we're just going to enter this verification code into the box. You can then press submit. You can then decide to adjust any of your profile settings. I'm just going to leave this as default and press on continue. Now that will automatically log you into your Rockstar Games account. You can click on the profile icon in the top right hand side, and this is where you can go and customize your different settings. You'll now be able to use this login information to go and play GTA 5.